Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a wavy line on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a line here. I'll just add in a few, well, I'll change the color first of all because you can't even see that. Let's do blue for waves. Alright, so select it and then go to Effect, Distort and Transform and select Zigzag. You're going to adjust the size here and the ridges as well, and you're going to make it smooth. Oh my god, did I even select the line? Why doesn't it look like I selected it? I might change the color actually so I can see. Let's do like this color. So okay, go to effects and then Distort and Transform, zigzag. There we go. Here you can adjust the size and the ridges per segment. And then you're also going to select smooth for the points. Then you're going to select OK, and that's it. You have these wavy lines without you having to, I guess, like make it with using like a pen tool and like doing this, and it's just tedious. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!